Hello world, welcome to Sour Creed, and today we are going to do a complete review of this Acer Aspire 7 laptop which I currently brought. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. We are just going to quickly unbox this box that came with this flip cart. At first I was confused. I got a box inside a box, then again we got a box, and inside that box I found this laptop. And once I got the hand on the laptop, it felt so premium. As you can see, this laptop comes with white color of wrapper, and once you remove this is how the laptops really look. Now once we have done this unboxing, now let's see what's there inside this laptop. The first thing that I would like to introduce you is its processor. It comes with Intel i5 9th generation a high performance processor, which is 9300H, which also includes 512 gigs of SSD, and that is M.2 SSD, and that is one of the fastest SSD available in the market there. And coming up towards the RAM, it contains 8 gigs of RAM, and the most beautiful part here is its graphics card. The graphics card of this laptop is NVIDIA GTX 1650, and it is DDR6. As you know, most of the laptop that is priced till 60k does not contain this feature. They have DDR5 version of this NVIDIA graphics card. Well, that does not make a great change, but in a long run it is of course going to make the change. Why not buy the laptop with DDR6 if you can get it in the same price, and why go for DDR5? So if you are looking for the perfect laptop which can satisfy your need of gaming as well as some professional works, well, I don't currently do more of the gaming stuffs. I just bought this laptop for programming, coding and things like that, but I will try some games because I always wanted to play games on a high-end PC. By the look of it, you can see that this laptop comes with a fingerprint scanner, and the speed of the fingerprint is amazing fast. And the feel of this keyboard, when I type using this keyboard, it feels so great. And of course the camera on this laptop is not so great, and I have heard people telling that the audio quality of this laptop is not great. I was a little bit confused back there, but after hearing the audio quality, of course it's not great as compared to many other laptops at this price range, but it is quite comfortable. If you are not going to just open up a disco bar on your house, it will be going to be just fine. And the next thing that I would like to include is the Wi-Fi version. The Wi-Fi version given in this laptop is Wi-Fi 6. Well, Wi-Fi 6 is not currently available in India, but within an year it is going to be there. And no other laptops within this price range provide you with this feature. So this is also a great point. So 3 points are here that is not available in any other laptops in this same price segment. The first one is the frequency of the RAM is greater than like most of them, and second, the version of the graphics card here used is GDDR6, and the third one is the Wi-Fi version. Of course, the little demerit of this laptop, you can say that it does not have the classical gaming look, but who cares? I prefer more professional looks. And one more thing of this laptop is that it can bend up to 180-degree complete. And well, this might make sense for some of you, but I don't know for how much people it makes sense, but it's look amazing laying down your laptop like a bed. Of course, you are not going to lay down on your laptop for sure. If you do that, you are breaking up your laptop. And the next thing, that is, you can't upgrade the RAM for the first year, because if you do so, you are going to void the warranty. As on this back of the laptop, you have this seal that's prevent you from opening this laptop back panel. But if you carefully somehow manage to open up this seal and you manage to upgrade your RAM to 8 more gigs, then this laptop is going to be the beast. Like nothing can be better than this laptop in this price segment. If you are someone who is interested in machine learning, programming, or even gaming, well, I won't necessarily force to gaming, but it can handle gaming pretty much easily too. As I'm not forcing it to gaming because I don't think that the heat sink in this laptop is great like that of Acer Nitro 5, but it will hold that game for 2 hours at least. So this was my complete review on this Acer Aspire 7. If you are looking for this laptop to buy, go ahead with this laptop. You won't be facing any problems with this. And if you have any questions regarding this, please make sure to ask me in the comment section below. I'll feel happy to help you there. So thanks for watching, and if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. That will help us make more video about this.